What are helping verbs? A helping verb is a verb that helps the main verb in a sentence. It does not show the main action by itself. Helping verbs are used to show tense, present, past, future, make questions, make negatives, show importance, or make the sentence stronger. Start with simple examples. I am learning English. Here, am is helping verb. Learning is main verb. Am shows the action learning is happening now. She has eaten lunch. Has is helping verb. Eaten is main verb. Has shows the action eaten is done. Now we will see am, is, are used in present tense. Am. We use am with I. I am cooking dinner. Am is helping verb. Cooking is main verb. Imagine it's dinner time. I am busy in the kitchen. Now let's see one more. Example. I am happy today. Am shows the feeling happy is happening now. Another example. I am at home. Am shows the state at home. Is we use is with he, she, it. Now let's see examples. He is reading a book. Is helping verb. Reading is main verb. Picture him sitting with a book. He is reading quietly. Another example. She is a teacher. Is shows her state teacher. One more example. It is cold today. Is shows the condition cold. Are we use are with you, we, they. Now let's see some examples. They are playing football. Are is helping verb. Playing is main verb. Picture them running and kicking the ball. Another example. We are happy. Are shows the feeling happy happening now. One more example. You are at school. Are shows location at school. Which word is helping verb in we are happy? Answer are. Now we will see was and were used in past tense. We use was with I, he, she, it. I was tired yesterday. Was is helping verb. Tired is main verb. Imagine yesterday after a long day. I was tired. Was shows the feeling. Tired happened in the past. Another example. She was at home. Was helps show location in the past. One more. He was sick. Was shows past condition. Were we use were with you, we, they. You were happy last week. Were is helping verb. Happy is main verb. Picture last week's fun day. You were happy. Another example. We were friends. Were shows past relationship. One more example. They were busy. Were shows past state. Now we will learn about will, and will be in future tense. First, will is used in the simple future. We use will plus base verb to talk about a future action. Example, I will learn English tomorrow. Here, will is the helping verb and learn is the main verb. This means the action will happen in the future. Another example, she will help you. The helping verb will shows a future action. One more example, they will come tomorrow. Again, will tells us the action is in the future. Now let's look at will be. Will be is used for the future continuous or a future state. Example, I will be learning English at 5 p.m. This means the action will be happening at a specific time in the future. Will be is helping verb. Learning is main verb. Another example, she will be waiting for you. Will be shows action happening in future. One more example, they will be at school at 9 a.m. Here, will be shows a future state. That's the difference between will and will be. Now we will learn have, has, and had. These are used in perfect tenses. First, have. We use have with I, you, we, and they. Example, I have finished my homework. Here, have is the helping verb and finished is the main verb. This sentence shows the action is already done. Another example, we have learned English. Have shows a completed action. Now, has. We use has with he, she, and it. Example, she has eaten lunch. Here, has is the helping verb and eaten is the main verb. The action is completed. Another example, he has gone home. Has shows a completed action. Now, had. Had is used in the past perfect tense. Example, I had completed my work before dinner. Here, had is the helping verb and completed is the main verb. The action happened before another past action. Another example, they had left early. Had shows a past perfect action. Finally, let's learn will have. Will have is used in the future perfect tense. Example, she will have finished her homework by 6 p.m. Here, will have is the helping verb and finished is the main verb. This shows the action will be completed in the future. Another example, they will have reached the station by 8 a.m. Again, will have is the helping verb and reached is the main verb. The action will be done by a specific future time. Now we will learn do, does, and did. We use do and does in the present tense and did in the past tense. Do we use with I, you, we, and they in the present tense. Let's see examples. I do like English. Do is the helping verb. Like is the main verb. Do adds emphasis to the action. Another example. We do our work carefully. Do is the helping verb. Work is the main verb. One more example. They do exercises every morning. Do is the helping verb. Exercises is the main verb. We use does with he, she, and it in the present tense. Let's see examples. She does her homework daily. Does is the helping verb. Homework is the main verb. Does adds emphasis to the action. Another example. He does his chores on weekends. Does is the helping verb. Chores is the main verb. It does look beautiful. Does is the helping verb. Look is the main verb. We use did with all subjects in the past tense. Let's see examples. I did my homework yesterday. Did is the helping verb. Homework is the main verb. Did adds emphasis to the action. Another example. They did their project last week. Did is the helping verb. Project is the main verb. One more example. He did his best in the game. Did is the helping verb. Best is the main verb. Today, you learned all the helping verbs. Am, is, are, will be, has, have, had, will have, do, does, did. Practice every day and use these helping verbs in your conversations. Remember, helping verbs show tense, present, past, or future. They support the main verb in every sentence. They help make questions and negatives. For more easy English learning, watch the Power 4 English Story channel.